Mbuvi, Sonko and 16 others were today acquitted in a graft amounting to 357 million shillings belonging to the county government of Nairobi. Trial Magistrate Eunice Nyutu said the prosecution had failed to table enough evidence to sustain corruption charges against the accused persons. John Matava with more.
To freedom after the court acquitted them in the 357 million shillings corruption case, which has been pending since 2019. The infamous case, which cost Sonko his governor seat position and prevented him from vying in the 2022 election, is now behind him.
For us, as the defense, we thank God for this moment, and we also thank the court that the court has been very diligent and actually very courteous. The Honorable Nyutu, may God bless you, because you have been very courteous and very judicious and judicial in the manner in which you handle the case.
Trial Magistrate Eunice Nyutu acquitted the 17, saying there was no evidence placed before the court to warrant their conviction. Further, Nyutu expressed her frustrations brought about by the DPP, who she said has on several times sought an adjournment in the case.
Had we any such clear sabotage, frustration, scattering, and bungling of cases would be a thing of the past, especially when the cases involve a public agenda, national security, safety of the citizenry, or arise from the loss of public funds, such as in this instant case. Parliament or the Office of Public Prosecution itself ought to develop regulations for making public prosecutors accountable for the manner in which they conduct cases and hold them accountable for negligence as well as willful, premeditated, and connived loss of cases. In conclusion, I find that the prosecution has failed to establish a prima facie case against all the accused persons on all the charges, and I hereby acquit them pursuant to Section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code.
The case has been in court since 2019, but the prosecution managed to call only 6 witnesses, with the prime one testifying more than a year.
This matter was instituted in the year 2019. Due to the intervening COVID pandemic, the trial took off on the 8th of November 2021. In the course of this trial, this court diligently put in measures to minimize adjournments.
We just thank God for the victory. That is all I can say for now.
John Matava, Look Up TV.
Now, after the acquittal of the former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko